When doing GIS analysis, we need spatial reference data. But there can be instances where we get data which doesn't have spatial information. For example, a scanned copy of a printed map. In those cases, we have to georeference them to do further analysis. In this demonstration, I am showing you how to georeference an image from Google Earth. Let's go to the Google Earth and zoom into the study area where we are interested in. Okay, now you have to add place marks, and these place marks will be used as control points when georeferencing. Make sure that you select a suitable symbol for georeferencing. A symbol like this will be helpful to add accurate control points. Now I will place these place marks at the four corners of the image. And continue adding the place marks. Now I have added 4 place marks at the 4 corners, and let's say I am interested in a satellite image in a previous year. For that, I can use the historical imagery function in Google Earth and find the image I want. For example, let's say I want an image from 2018. So this is the image I am interested in. Now I have to save this image. Go to File, Save, and Save Image. Before saving the image, make sure that you are getting the top view of the image. For that, go to View and Reset and click on Tilt and Compass. It will reset your image such that you are getting the top view. I have removed the title and the legend, and I am saving this image at a maximum resolution so that I get a high resolution image. I will save this as 2018. Okay, now my image is saved. I will go to ArcMap and import my image. It will warn you that it doesn't have a spatial reference, and that is exactly why we have to georeference it. Now this is my image and I can see the control points. Now I have to add the coordinate information to these control points. And zoom into the control point. And to start georeferencing, you need a toolbar. To get the toolbar, go to Customize and go to Toolbars. Here you can find the georeferencing toolbar. So this is the georeferencing toolbar. And make sure that you have selected the correct image. And now click on Add Control Points. Now click on your control point. After left clicking on the control point, then right click and select Input X and Y. Here you have to give the latitude and longitude information. X should be the longitudes and Y should be the latitudes. We'll go back to the Google Earth. Now hover your cursor on the place mark and right click and go to Properties of the place mark. Here you can see the latitude and longitude information. My latitude and longitude information are in decimal degrees. You can change the coordinate format through options. Go to tools and options, and here you can change the coordinate format. I want to use the WGS 1994 coordinate system, so I have selected the decimal degrees. Now go to the properties of the place mark. Hover your cursor on the place mark, right click and go to properties. Now copy the latitude information, go back to ArcMap. So I have to give the latitude information to Y. I will paste the latitude information, again go back to Google Earth, copy the longitude information and give the longitude information to X axis and click on OK. The image will get transformed. You have to right click on the image and click on zoom to layer. Now go to next control point and again click on add control point. Left click on the control point and then right click. Then click on input X and Y. Again go back to Google Earth and this time you have to give the second control point information. You can repeat the process for remaining control points. Okay, now we have given all the coordinate information to all the 4 control points. Let's go to the link table. So in the georeferencing toolbar, click on view link table and this gives us the details about the control points we have added. And it also gives the total root mean squared error, which shows the accuracy of our georeferencing. The smaller the RMS error, your georeferencing is more accurate. You can remove any control points or add any more control points to get the accuracy you needed. Now we have to rectify this image. When rectifying, a separate raster image will be created with the spatial information. Keep all these values to default and give a location for your output file. And click on save. Now my rectified image has been saved and I have to import that into ArcMap. Although we have given the spatial information, we haven't still defined the coordinate system of this image. To define the coordinate system of the image, go to the image in catalog, right click and go to properties. Here in the spatial reference, you can see the coordinate system is not defined. We can edit the coordinate system, and since we obtained this image from Google Earth, we know that Google Earth is using the WGS 1984 coordinate system. So we will define the coordinate system as WGS 1984. Select the coordinate system. Now we have given the coordinate system. You can add the base layer and check. You have to define the data frame coordinate system as well. So we will define the data frame coordinate system also as WGS 1984. Now you can see our georeference image has correctly aligned with the base map.